Hi and a warm welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing some facial exercises for our mouth area. Now we have a muscle that goes all the way around the mouth called the orbicularis oris muscle, and we want to work with toning and strengthening this muscle. And as we tone and strengthen it, the skin attached is tightened, tautened and firmed. As with all face yoga exercises, work to your own level with everything. So first technique, you take your tongue and you're going to bring it around the inside of your lips. And we're doing it really slowly. Keep going as I talk. And we're going to do 3 times one way, then we'll do 3 times the other way. One more time. Wonderful. Then we're going to go in the other direction. And one more time. So I'm going to show you a super easy massage that helps sculpt the cheekbones, lift the muscles and also release tension. So you're going to take 2 fingers like this. You're going to go underneath your cheeks and lift up, and simple as that. So you're going underneath and you're coming up. Now, ideally you want to do this with a little bit of moisturizing serum. I really recommend my Fusion by Danielle Collins Pro Lift Moisturizing Serum, which is vegan, organic, accredited by the Soil Association, cruelty-free, has a lovely glide for facial massage, but it's non-greasy, so it's not as heavy as oils. So you can keep it on, put your makeup over the top, or just wear it overnight, and it's going to really moisturize the skin. So you can do that there for up to 60 seconds, and it's simple as that. So technique number 1, we're going to take our fingers underneath our eyes, make an O shape with our mouth, look up towards the ceiling and flutter your upper eyelids. So keep that going whilst I explain this exercise. As you flutter, you're encouraging this part of the muscle to tone up. Really good if you've got hollows under the eyes. We're also naturally lifting the eyebrows, but try and keep the forehead as still as you can. And also you're working this area around the mouth, strengthening and toning that area as well. So let's do for another 10 seconds more. Okay, technique number 2, you're going to take 2 fingers between your eyebrows, the other 2 fingers on the outer edge of the eyes, and you're going to half close your eyes, feel for a little squint, and then you want to feel a little pulse on the outer edge of your eyes. So it's like a shaking action. So just sort of play around a little bit until you find that position. And when you feel that shake, releasing, then taking it again, half closing the eyes, feel that little shake or that little pulse, and release. Breathing deeply in and out through your nose as you do this. Each time you hold, you're holding there for about 3 seconds, and then you're releasing. And you're strengthening your orbicularis oculi muscle. That's the ring muscle that goes around the eye. And as you strengthen and tone this muscle, the skin attached is tightened and tautened and firmed. Okay, so releasing now, placing 2 hands now onto your forehead, keeping your forehead as still as possible. Then we're going to do a few eye movements. We're going to look up towards one corner and then down towards the bottom corner. So looking up and then down, really keeping your forehead muscles as still as possible with your hands there. This is really working again, that orbicularis oculi muscle that runs around the eye, boosting the blood circulation around the eyes, hydrating that area, helping with that circulation that prana or that chi, that life force energy. So it's really helping to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Let's go to the other corner and down. So going up and down. I'm going to lead you through some face yoga, which is very good for helping to calm our central nervous system, really tone our vagus nerve, and just generally help us feel really relaxed and tension free. So our first technique we're going to do is a little bit of massage around our shoulder area. So you're going to take your fingers, just come into the shoulder area where you feel that little bit of flesh there, and just do a little bit of massage. So keep breathing here, inhaling, abdomen rises, exhale, abdomen lowers. And you're just going to work up this area. So you're releasing tension in the muscle, but your vagus nerve just runs all the way down this area. So you're slightly going behind the back of your neck here. As you work up, just go right up to the base of your skull. And you're going to do the same the other side here. So just gently getting into that area, working your way upwards, focusing on your breath all the time. And then the face yoga really is about feeling good on the inside. So the breath, nurturing self-care touch is all going to really help you to feel better. Okay, so let's go a little bit more into the vagus nerve now, but doing a little bit of lymphatic drainage. We're just going to go down to the collarbone. So making sure you're not dragging the skin, it's light touch, and you're starting from behind the ears here and going down to your collarbone. Breaths all the time here. This is also helping to drain the lymph right down to the lymph nodes. So our lymphatic system is our body's natural garbage or rubbish disposal system. So the more we can give it a helping hand with gentle massage like this, the better. Okay, so just pulse there on your collarbone a little bit. Keep breathing deeply. And then you're just going to go to this acupressure point here, just underneath your nose. So really good for helping to calm the central nervous system. If you're pregnant, just avoid this one. Generally, face yoga is very, very safe when you're pregnant, but I do say just check with your doctor before you do any face yoga. But even if you get the go ahead, which I'm sure most people will unless you have complications, this one can aggravate nausea a little bit. So avoid if you're pregnant, but if you're not, go ahead and enjoy it. Focus on your breath.